You look frustrated. I do not have money to pay for AI premium tools.
Is that why you are now worried? Do not worry anymore. Just watch this my YouTube video. I will show you step by step
how to use VEO3.1 for free without paying a dime.
Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use VEO3.1 for free, like free forever. Now VEO3.1 is free for everyone. Now all you're just going to do is, this newly tool was just introduced. So what you're going to do is you come over to your Chrome browser and search for AI Gen Max. Yes, AI Gen Max. This tool is so amazing because it helps in creating stunning AI videos instantly. And not just that, it transforms your ideas into professional videos in seconds. With AI Gen Max, you don't need no sign up. Like, note that, no sign up at all. It's completely free. Like, no any charges, no any hidden fee. Trust me. And it is being powered by advanced AI, advanced artificial intelligence. You can see right here, these are the powerful features for the video creation. You can see instant generation, high quality output, 100% free forever. Another thing is, it's simple and easy. You can download it anywhere and it is available worldwide. No need of VPN, no need of bypassing anything. Like, guys, this is crazy. This is totally free. Now I'm going to show you exactly how to use this tool for free, right? So all you're going to do is, let's click on that generate right now. So we're going to see, you see, create your VEO3.1. Now we need prompt, right? So let's come over to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to generate ads video, like we want to create ads. So let's tell ChatGPT to do that for us. So you can use AI video prompts creator. So I'm going to attach everything to the description so you can go and check it right there. All right, guys, this is so amazing. This is so beautiful, right? So all you just come over is, once the prompt is ready, you just do what you do, copy and paste, right, as usual. So let's copy this and take it over to our AI Gen Max. Like, guys, this is crazy. Like, this is super crazy. Now we are going to paste in our prompt. After pasting our prompt, make sure you set the aspect ratio to what, 16 by now, based on how you want it to be. If it is this video, you can set it. If you want to run advert online on Facebook, or you can make it 1 by 1. But if it is for YouTube video, you can just leave it at 16 by. And if it is TikTok or short, make it 9 by 16. Now you can see you can try different example, product demo, nature scene, and so on and so forth. Like, guys, this is super amazing. And you can see it does not take long. It takes in between 30 to 60 seconds for it to process. So you can see our video is being queued for processing. So in short, it's not even up to 2 minutes, like not even maximum of 1 minute. So let's check as our video is generating. Let's come and see other things about this tool. It's realistic motion, professional, like everything. All you just do, in fact, it's user friendly. No need of learning from somebody before you can get started today. With this tool, you can get started today. You can see, boom, our ads video is ready. Like, guys, isn't this amazing? It is super amazing. Like, guys, trust me, this is super amazing. Now you can download it to your device right here. So what we're going to do is, now that our video has been generated successfully, we need to download this to our device, right? So let's come over and click on this download button right here. Now I want you to note something. When you click on this download button below here, you are going to see it to tell you fail to download video. What you are going to do is, you come over and click on the 3 icon at the video section, then you click on download, and you can see right here, you see our video is being downloaded. Isn't this amazing? So guys, you don't have to spend money on any tool any longer, because this tool literally gives you everything for free. Now let's try our second ad. So let's see. That's to tell you that you can generate unlimited video. That is why I'm creating multiple scenes so that you can see how this is being done. So if today is the first time you're coming across my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as I always drop amazing content like this. And don't forget to share this video, like, share, and comment. Comments from wherever country you are watching this video from. Just comment the country you're watching this video from, so that I can keep dropping amazing. At least let me know if people worldwide are watching this video. If you're from America, drop it in the comment section. If you're from Nigeria, if you're from UK, if you're from whatever part of the world, just drop it in the comment section, and I will appreciate that so much. You can see we are generating. You can keep generating multiple scenes, and it gives you 10 seconds per scenes, 10 seconds per scene, so which means you can generate a 1-hour video just using this tool for free. All right, thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video.